Cool Fogel here on A Healthy Balance, and I am here with Ashley and his son Cohen and his dog Valentine, and we are going somewhere in
Nantou,
and we're gonna go check out a
secret waterfall.
And I am apparently not allowed to share the location because it is a
secret waterfall.
secret, but I will show you the beauty of it. So let's go check it out.
Oh.
All right, we are at the secret waterfall. Tell me why you like this place.
I love it because the water is fresh, cool, and there's no one around.
All right, well, after a really long bike ride from Kaohsiung to Tainan and then Tainan to Taichung, I am really happy and looking forward to this cool water and hanging out with my good brother and his kid and their dog Valentine. And ooh, I can see the water ahead. I'm excited. All right, so I'm here with Ashley. We just got to the top level of the waterfall. When did you discover this secret waterfall? How long ago?
I'd say about 2 years ago.
Cool, yeah. And what does this place mean to you?
It's a place not far away from the city, but far enough that I can escape to some nature, quiet, and relaxation.
Great waterfall. Thank you for bringing me here.
Yeah, welcome. Anytime.
So just quick question. Where did you find Valentine?
You know where.
Yeah, when Ashley and I was living in Taichung still, we went to Taichung,
Yep.
which is a hiking area outside of Taichung City.
Yep.
And there was Valentine with brothers and sisters. It was Valentine's Day, and he got her for his wife Sunshine on Valentine's Day. So her name is Valentine. And that's the story.
It was 12 years ago, so we've had her in our family for a long time.
12 years ago.
She's a special beauty of ours, and very rarely do we get to come out to the waterfalls with her. Ready, Val? Go! Good girl! Way to go!
Good girl. Oh, there she goes. Hey, Valentine. Good girl. Please subscribe and thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.